Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar is in New York to represent India at the UN Climate Summit tomorrow. He told Bhupendra Chaubey that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit is a new beginning for India-US ties.
Now, Mr. Minister, you're here. UNGA summit is also taking place and Prime Minister Modi comes here. Firstly, tell me, are you a part of this bigger delegation which has been worked out?
No, I'm going back again on 24th because I am here to attend major economic forum which started yesterday.
Back as Prime Minister comes in?
No, 1 minute, because I have Maharashtra elections also.
Right.
So we have to rush back. But tomorrow, the UN General Secretary's Assembly is important one, and therefore I am leading the delegation, Indian delegation. So therefore we are discussing environment and the
now, before I get to environment, sir, you're from Maharashtra itself, and I know that you're involved in affairs there. What's going on between the Sena and BJP,
in
sir?
New York, I'm not.
I can't ask you about
Maharashtra,
that.
but yes. But
since I've
what is happening is here is very important. That the world is very eagerly waiting to listen to the new leader, the leader who is won the largest democratic mandate in the world, and therefore people are eager to listen him because the world thinks that India has arrived.
But you don't think that all the rough edges which existed between Prime Minister Modi and America, that they don't matter
now?
No,
I think the past is past. America, for America, everything is business, and they understand what are the opportunities. And they also understand that here is a leader who takes decision. We are proactive.
Can we expect, lastly, sir, some real hard decision on the economic front coming out by the end of this year?
Yeah, definitely. This US-India relationship is very important for both the countries, and therefore both countries are putting very good importance to all the visit. And what he is addressing here, you will see next Sunday, here all the Times Square jam-packed. All the screens showing Modi.
So BJP will be managing the crowd here at Times Square also, you mean?
No, because crowds here are already there and 20,000 tickets are already sold of the Madison Square from where he'll be doing his live.
Okay.
And so it will be a great visit to US, and thereafter he's going back to Washington to have
But back in India, sir, we will be asking you again questions related to Shiv Sena only.
No, let us wait.
Hopefully that will be ironed out.
See, 24 hours are important in politics. Earlier, we used to say week is important. Now it is hours are important. And let us see what happens.